knowing what I wanted and how I was I going to get there. We talked about that journey, right, and all the different things. I was doing way too many things at the same time. I was trying to, I didn't even get into a construction company, right? That was the first thing I brought in house. That was when I was still doing single family. Got frustrated with contractors, decided to bring that in house. So at one point, I was growing the single family stuff while growing the construction company as well, while growing different branches of the construction company, and I wasn't doing any of those one things at a really high level. And it wasn't until I realized that, and I guess I can't give it to myself. Like I read it in Traction, and then one of my mentors kind of mentioned it to me too. He's like, "Look, you're doing great things, and you're having success here and there, but which one of those is really the one that you're dominating in, right?" And that's when I put all my focus towards multifamily real estate, large multifamily deals. I stopped doing any single family, sold whatever I had, and just, man, that's when things really started taking off, and it's been a game changer.